Tonight at 10, George Billy Wagner III will not face the death penalty in his upcoming trial. He is the last remaining Wagner family member still awaiting trial in the Pike County massacre. Thanks for joining us. I'm Megan O'Rourke in for Rob and Tricia. We hope you had a happy Thanksgiving. Now, this is the fourth ruling in the last month that the judge has now made in favor of Wagner. Billy, along with his wife and two sons, they're accused of killing 8 members of the Roden family back in 2016. Our Mike Schell has been following this case from the very beginning, joins us in studio now live with more on this latest decision. Mike.
Yeah, Megan, dismissing the death penalty specifications for Billy Wagner changes the complexity of his trial that is set to begin on January 6th. Prosecutors say they were counting on the testimony of 2 key witnesses in the case to prove that Wagner is guilty.
George Billy Wagner III is the last member of his family to be tried for the Pike County massacre. His son George IV was convicted in 2022. His younger son Jake and wife Angela have yet to be sentenced. Wagner and his entire family were arrested in November of 2018. Since then, Billy has been held without bond in the Butler County Jail, which is about 2 hours' drive from Pike County. Within the last month, visiting Judge Jonathan Hine ruled that Wagner be moved from the Butler County Jail to Pickaway County to be closer to his attorneys. The judge said Jake and Angela Wagner will be sentenced before Billy's trial begins. Wagner's trial will be moved out of Pike County, and now the death penalty specifications are dismissed. Last Wednesday, Judge Hine shocked prosecutor Angie Canepa when he said he was dismissing the death specs.
We are months and months and months behind where you would be on a case that goes to trial with a death spec.
Judge Hine suggested that the attorneys were dragging their feet to get this case ready for trial. Prosecutor Canepa pushed back and said the judge was sabotaging her case.
You can't dismiss death specs without a motion by the state.
Judge Hine said he would give the attorneys until Monday to come to an agreement to move the case forward, but apparently they missed that deadline. On Wednesday, Pike County court records indicated that dismissing death penalty specifications was filed. Under a different judge, Prosecutor Canepa entered a plea agreement with Jake and Angela Wagner. They had to testify truthfully against Billy and his son George IV, and the death penalty will be taken off the table. But Judge Hine will not honor that plea agreement and will sentence Jake and Angela Wagner, 2 key witnesses for the prosecution, on December 17th.
We have got the testimony, sworn testimony of his 2 co-defendants that he participated and personally killed 3 people.
Prosecutors say the Rodens were killed over a custody battle for Sophia Wagner, the daughter of Jake and his then-girlfriend Hannah Roden. Jake Wagner admitted killing Hannah and 4 others and said that his father Billy killed 3 people during the late night and early morning hours of April 21st and 22nd, 2016.
When the judge ruled to change the venue, he did not specify which county would hold the trial. Prosecutor Angie Canepa told us that these latest rulings are another gut punch for the surviving Roden family members. She says the family matriarch, Geneva Roden, who is now in her 80s, is not well enough to travel, and that these latest rulings go against the family who has been waiting 8.5 years for justice to be carried out in all the Wagner cases. Live in studio, Mike Schell, Fox 19 Now.